joining us with those details. Some big news coming in. Kannada actor, estranged wife of former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, Radhika Kumaraswamy's 4-hour grilling by the Central Crime Branch finally ends. Sources have told India Today that CCB sleuths have summoned Radhika once again for questioning. Now, this comes as part of a 75 lakh transaction that was made to Radhika Kumaraswamy by a cheat case accused Yuvraj. Initial reports suggested that this was just a transfer of funds since she was acting in a film produced by Yuvraj, but it seems to have taken an ugly turn. Nolan Pinto joining us. Nolan, any word on Radhika Kumaraswamy's money that she's received, 75 lakhs from the cheat scam accused Yuvraj? What is the connection between them? Is it just simple that they were doing a movie together and that's why she got this as remuneration?
Well, Nabila, she was actually called here in connection with the money transaction between her and Yuvraj. In fact, she knows Yuvraj for the past 17 years. This is the information we are now getting. According to her, Yuvraj and her father are very good friends, and that is how she got to know him. Now, this particular money transaction she received in two tranches. One is 15 lakhs and one is 60 lakhs. Now, this took place just before the lockdown last year. This was for a movie. This is what she says and nothing else. She says that it was for a movie, the money that she received. In fact, she says that 15 lakhs was received from Yuvraj and 60 lakhs was received from another person. However, the CCB officials are not convinced, and that is the reason why a notice was issued to her yesterday to approach them. She was questioned today by the investigating officer and ACP Nagaraj over a period of a few hours. He asked her about the money transaction, the call records, and also after Yuvraj was arrested, she addressed a press conference and she made some statements over there. So regarding that particular press conference also, she was questioned. As of now, the CCB officials have told her that she must not leave the city and that in case they require her for more questioning, she should come to the CCB, to which she has agreed.
All right, Nolan, thank you very much for this information, but do stay with us. We have some more news coming in from Karnataka. Karnataka minister has sparked a massive row after he was caught